say I look like a panda, but me, I think I look way more like a bear. Fuck a fork in the road, put the fork in your ear, cause I'm already tortured, I torture career.
Hey guys, welcome back. It's Mr. H-Tech here. Today we're taking a look at these genuine leather iPad cases made by Casemade. Before we get into it, if you enjoyed the video, do consider subscribing for more content and pressing that like button so you can get pushed out and seen by more people. Also leave a comment down below if you're hashtag Team iPad. So I'd like to thank the people over at Casemade, as not only did they send me out these cases for free, but they're also letting me give away a case to one of you lucky subscribers. I'll talk more about the giveaway later on in the video, so make sure you don't miss it. Casemade sent over two cases, a black one for the iPad Pro 2018 11-inch model and a tan coloured one for the 12.9-inch model. Unfortunately, I don't have my 11-inch iPad Pro anymore, since I transitioned to the larger 12.9-inch model, and you'll find out why in an upcoming video. So remember to hit that notification bell to stay up to date with the newest content I release. So these cases are not your typical cheap fake leather ones you'll find on Wish. These cases are made from 100% Italian cowhide. On the inside we have a soft touch polycarbonate mould to hold and protect the device, and a soft material on the other side to prevent any scratches to the screen. The case also has a sleep/wake function, so that when you close the case it will automatically put the iPad to sleep, and when it's opened it will automatically wake the iPad. You have full access to the openings on the sides of the iPad for dongles, headphones and other connectables, leaving the bottom section and corners protected against light bumps and drops. You can adjust the iPad into 3 different positions depending on exactly how you need it to be. You can have it completely flat for where you wish to do some drawing or note taking, slightly raised for those times you want to read a book or play games, and completely upright ready for watching movies. Or work, I guess. So there are 2 things I'm not particularly a fan of. Firstly, there's no magnetic latch holding the case closed, just like the Apple Folio case, which means it can open up very easily if you're not holding it closed the right way. Secondly, there's no Apple Pencil protection or holder in place, which means you have to be very careful that you don't knock it or your Apple Pencil could fly off and you'd be saying bye-bye to the most expensive pencil you have ever owned. So guys, if you've made it this far in the video, put a hashtag nevermind in the comments section below to see who's actually paying attention. As I mentioned earlier, Casemade are letting me give away a case of your choice to a lucky subscriber. To enter the giveaway, there's going to be a link in the description box below with multiple easy ways for you to earn entries into the competition. The more entries you earn, the better chance you have of winning. The competition will be running from today till the 25th of September, so remember to share this with your friends and family. You must be a subscriber of the channel to be eligible of winning. As you guys probably already know if you've watched my previous videos, I use a Logitech Slim Folio Pro as my main case for my iPad Pro, since it gives me extra protection and the ability to have a very nice backlit keyboard with me at all times. So I personally would not have this Casemade leather case on permanently on my iPad, as I would lose them features. However, if I had a business meeting or somewhere I was taking my iPad that I wanted to dress nice and look presentable, this case would definitely be my case of choice. It offers a slightly lower degree of protection due to the slimmer profile, but with an elegant, classy look to it. If you guys are interested in purchasing this case, links are going to be in the description box below. Again, I want to say thanks to Casemade for sending these cases out and showing support to a smaller tech channel. If you guys at home want to support the channel, press that subscribe button below and like the video if you enjoyed it. Hit that notification bell to be notified of new content once it's released. Thank you guys for watching, stay safe, and I'll catch you in the next video.